Hello friends, we are here to doing the Python programming. Let's start with the simple program. Let's start it by here Python online Python compiler. Okay, we get it. This one is we have to select the interpreter and we get this window. In this we get like this simple hello world, print hello world. These tags are comments. Hashtags are both tags are comment box, just like comments. If we run, we get the output hello world. Let's see. Here you can see we get the hello world is the output, and every time we have to save the our program by .py. Whatever you name, you can give here, like addition subtraction program if you were doing. Okay, let's start the next one. We can add new such. It's like a equal to 15, b equal to 20, enter, c equal to a plus b. we we are doing here the additions, and then print. In the round bracket we have to do c, and our answer will printed in it directly. We have to run it. Here we run, we got the answer 35. 15 plus 20, 35 is the right answer. If you have any kind of doubt, let's clear it. If we do the minus sign and run, what we get? -5. See here, get the -5 answer because we give the symbol minus. A minus b means 15 minus 20. What we get? This is the simple way of programming. Let's take another one, like start multiplication, then run. What we get? 300 is the answer. This way we can do a simple program in the Python. Okay, how you get, how you understand, comment in it.